Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot met the party's central leaders in Delhi on Wednesday to discuss the long-pending issue of accommodating supporters of Sachin Pilot into the state cabinet. Sources said that Congress High Command is keen that the reshuffle take place immediately and supporters of Pilot be accommodated. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal and party in charge for Rajasthan Ajay Makhan were present at the meeting in Rahul Gandhi's residence on Wednesday. Gandhi, however, did not attend the meeting. Sources said that discussion involved cabinet reshuffle and appointments in the state corporations, which Mr. Gehlot has been delaying for over a year. Accommodating Pilot supporters in the cabinet was seen as a part of the peace formula worked out by Gandhi Vadra last year when the Pilot faction was on the warpath. The rebellion, which festered for a month, had brought the Ashok Gehlot government on the verge of collapse. Emergency use authorization for the Merck drug Molnupiravir, an oral antiviral medicine for the treatment of mid to moderate COVID-19, is likely within days, Dr. Ram Vishwakarma, chairman of the COVID Strategic Group (CSIR), told NDTV on Wednesday. The medicine is meant for adults who are at risk for progressing to severe COVID-19 or hospitalization. Another pill from Pfizer, Paxlovid, may take some more time, he added. The two drugs, he said, will make a difference, and as we move from pandemic to endemic, these are the ones which are going to be more important than vaccination. Data for Molnupiravir has been sitting with the regulator here before the UK regulator's approval, he said. So already SECs are looking at it, and I think they will get faster approval now. And therefore, it would be safe to say that within the next 1 month, there would be a decision on approval for the Merck drug. The Indian Meteorological Department has said a depression has formed over the southwest Bay of Bengal, which is likely to cross Tamil Nadu and southern coastal Andhra Pradesh today evening, bringing widespread rainfall in Tamil Nadu for the next 3 to 4 days. The rainfall is expected to be scattered, heavy, very heavy, and extremely heavy in specific regions, and light to moderate in most other places. On November 11th, thunderstorm with scattered heavy to very heavy rain with isolated extremely heavy rain is likely to occur over Tiruvallur, Kallakurichi, Salem, Vellore, Tiruvannamalai, Ranipet, Tirupattur districts of Tamil Nadu. Heavy rain is also likely in Nilgiris, Coimbatore, Chengalpattu, Namakkal, Tiruchirappalli, Chennai and Puducherry. According to an IMD bulletin, a low-pressure area over southeast Bay of Bengal organized into a well-marked low-pressure area on Tuesday and now lies over central parts of South Bay of Bengal with the associated cyclonic circulation extending up to 5.8 kilometers above mean sea level. Apart from Chennai, the IMD has also predicted thunderstorms with extremely heavy rain at isolated places over delta districts including Kudalur, Viluppuram, Pudukottai, Shivaganga, Ramanathapuram and Puducherry and Karaikal. Power cuts have been reported from many areas of Chennai including Virugambakam, Saligramam and KK Nagar. Space station lifted off from NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Cape Canaveral, Florida at 9:03 p.m. today. On board the Falcon 9 rocket are 4 astronauts, including a veteran spacewalker and 2 younger crewmates chosen to join NASA's forthcoming lunar missions. This is the first flight for SpaceX Crew Dragon Endurance, the newest crew capsule of the company's fleet. The mission also marks SpaceX's 4th crewed spaceflight. If all goes smoothly, NASA astronaut Raja Chari, Tom Marshburn, Kyla Barron, and European Space Agency's Matthias Maurer will arrive about 22 hours later and dock with the space station 400 km above the Earth to begin a 6-month stay aboard the orbiting laboratory. The team set off for blastoff on Wednesday has been designated Crew 3, the third full-fledged operational crew NASA and SpaceX have flown to the space station after a 2-astronaut trial run in May 2020. Tesla CEO Elon Musk sold approximately $1.1 billion in shares of his electric car company after indicating over the weekend that he would sell 10% of his stock based on the results of a Twitter poll. However, the sale was put in motion on September 14th, according according to documents filed Wednesday, meaning it was not spurred by the survey's outcome. Musk, the world's richest man, sold about 930,000 shares on Monday, a filing with the US Security and Exchange Commission financial regulator showed. On Saturday, Musk polled his more than 62 million Twitter followers about whether he should sell 10% of his Tesla shares, insisting he would do as voters say. The people voted yes. The electric car maker's query followed a proposal by US congressional Democrats to tax the super wealthy more heavily by targeting stocks which are usually only taxed when sold.